I think I know. I think you know why you're here. Don't complain at me with your stumbling, sir. I've been waiting for this day. I've been waiting to make it a special day. It's your 15th birthday. Oh boy. And yes, we're doing it by American terms, but it came out here first, so whatever. Anyway, 15 years of boring, 15 years of ruined Diesel 10, 15 years of just the lamest Thomas special I think I've ever seen. You, Calling All Engines, have given me all of those things, and I hate you. I hate you more than Day of the Diesels, but not by much. I hate you more than Big World Big Adventures, also not by very much. Anyway, I will really get a kick out of this because I've been wanting to do this for a while, but I wanted to wait until it was your special day. I hope you feel the pain that I have felt since the first time I've watched you. You have given me nothing but pain. You've made me fall asleep. You have made me so annoyed. You have ruined. Okay, you haven't really ruined the Thomas brand. You had nothing to do with that. But you have hurt the brand so much for just being boring and lowering the standard. And I hate you, and I am super excited to get the Pain Fest going. Alright, let's begin. Okay, shut up, Calling All Engines. Yeah! Yeah! It's off camera, hang on. There it is. Hang on, that wasn't enough torture. How do I keep you up? Yeah! You know, it honestly feels so good to do this. Alright, one more time before YouTube demonetizes me. Yeah! I'm missing all of these, but giving it whiplash is so much fun. Okay, I think that's enough torture for you. Now I should do to this what I should have done a long time ago. See that garbage can? Never have to see that movie ever again. Feels so good to hurt it.